All right, welcome to the tutorial on Wealthscape login. Before we get started, you're going to need some information handy before you can log into your account. First, you're going to need your account number. It's going to start with an RV2, RV8, something like that. You're going to need the last four of your social security number. And you're also going to have a good password ready, and you're going to set some security questions like normal account login. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go to my website, which is rhitch.com. Why I recommend this is that the link or the website address for Wealthscape sometimes changes. So if you always go this route, you'll know you're at the right link. Click on Client Account Login. Next, you will select Wealthscape Investor. Since you're a new user, you're going to click Register right here. So right here, you're going to enter your last four of your social security number, your first name, last name, date of birth, and then you'll move on and click Next. Okay, now you will enter your account number. Again, that should start with an RV2, RV8, RVW, AUB, something like that. All right, here you will create your password. Remember to follow the guidelines. And then you'll go down and enter your security questions, picking one of these few here. Next, you will come to the screen with your user ID. This is actually your username. Do write this down. I'm going to show you how to switch this, but write it down just in case. Now you're going to have to accept the user agreement in terms of conditions. Now you will be into Wealthscape. You should see some pop-ups come up now. One is your security enhancements. Please select your primary email. Next, you will see an option to go paperless. I do recommend this. I'll also show you how to get back to there. So you want to go to enroll. What I usually recommend is sending everything to electronic, unless most people like getting statements and tax documents to their house address. Save. Got to add your email. Agree to the conditions. And you're good. We'll close out of there. Now, if you need to get back to there, if you go to the Service tab, this is where you can fix those up again. Now, before you move on, I like you to change your username from that number. So you go up to User Preferences. You're going to change your username. Right here, you will enter what you want, check the availability, enter your password. Okay, then to see your accounts, you're going to click on this button over here and they will pop up. So that is all we have and how to log into your Wealthscape Investor.